What are stocks? Puppy has a dream, starting the biggest bone business in the neighborhood. But there's one big problem. Puppy doesn't have enough bones to get it started. So, instead of just giving up, Puppy comes up with an idea. Why not ask other pups to invest? In exchange for some bones, those pups would own a part of the business. That's right. They become part owners. This is how stocks work. When you buy stock in a company, you're buying a piece of that business. Stocks versus shares now. Let's clear up a common mix-up. Puppies sometimes think stocks and shares are the same thing, but they're not. Think of the stock as the entire bone business and the shares as the individual. Bones. The more stock a puppy buys, the more bones they own, meaning they get a bigger slice of the business. Types of stocks. Not all stocks are the same. Big, established bone companies are steady, slow growers, and pups call these blue chip stocks. Smaller, newer businesses have a lot of risks, but they can grow fast. These are called penny stocks. It's all about choosing your level of risk. The stock market. So, where do you buy stocks? It's called the stock market, where pups can buy and sell shares of bone businesses. When prices go up, it's called a bull market, and everyone's happy. But when prices fall, it's called a bear market, and pups are more cautious. Stock funds. But what if you don't want to put all your bones into one business? No worries. This is where funds come in. A fund is like a basket that holds lots of different stocks. For example, a fund could have stocks from the 500 largest bone companies, spreading out the risk. Pups who invest in these funds get a little piece of each company, lowering the risk. Hedge funds. Some pups want to take it even further. Hedge funds are special groups of stocks that can make pups a lot of money, but they also come with higher risks. These are for the big-time investors, not everyday pups. Why do stock prices change? Stock prices can go up or down for many reasons. If more pups want bones, the price goes up. If too many pups eat all the bones, the price goes down. Even a big announcement from the bone company can change the price. This video is for learning, not financial advice, so please don't sue Puppy. Now that you know how stocks work, tell us, would you invest in a bone business? Comment below with your thoughts. Hit like if this was helpful. Subscribe for more easy money tips, and share it with your pals to help them grow their bone empire too. Let's build wealth together, one bone at a time.